Hi there, my name is Jen Albritton, and I'm going to be hosting a 4-week workshop called Aging Strong at Evergreen Pilates. And we're going to talk all about the details that go into balance and posture and bone strength as we age. So we'll talk about toe spreaders and how we want to strengthen our feet, the spinal mobility and how that influences how we move. All those different details we'll get into. We're going to use Dynamic Aging by Katie Bowman as our base text. So we'll have some homework each week, and then we'll come together and ask questions and talk and really make everything very personal to you. So I want to show you a quick movement that we will be working on in our workshop. So getting down and up off the floor is huge as we age. So it's either something we don't want to lose or it's something we want to regain. And so let me show you, oftentimes what happens is we are down at the floor and we'll lean forward and come up, taking the work out of the place where we need it most. So we'll use different props and different ways to get feedback to know how we're moving. So for example, I'm going to use this wall to get some sense of where my torso is as I rise up using these larger muscles that I really want to maintain that movement in all day long. Yes. So I really look forward to meeting you and working with you. Go to Evergreen Pilates and find the workshop under the events page, and my email's there. Please feel free to ask anything that comes up, and I look forward to meeting you.